So a quick update on the book. I'm in the final third. It's a slow process, but it's moving. So I really appreciate all your patience. It will be well worth it. Working on this book, a big problem I see is students not knowing or understanding where in a drawing should get more careful attention than others. When to actually slow down. Because when you make mistakes here, it can cost your entire drawing. So here are 3 important areas in the drawing you definitely should never rush through or skimp on. And the usual show of appreciation to those of you who supported my books, Pen and Drawing Simple Guide and the supplementary workbook. Thank you. And book 3 is loading. Nothing tests our patience like proportions. But the effort it takes to look more closely, make more careful measurements, is all worth it. What's worse than doing all that intricate shading, defining those details, only to find afterwards something important's out of place? Few mistakes in drawing are harder to overlook than bad proportions. Like they say, measure twice, cut once. Shading's another area. Practice taking a moment to assess things before shading. Ask, where's light coming from? Where are the key values? Light and shadow areas. Practicing this creates a kind of roadmap to guide your shading. Also, always take time with delicate blending. Students wonder why they can't get seamless value gradients, and it's usually because they're not taking their time. Really quickly before you forget, like the video, comment, subscribe, share, just showing you appreciate the content and want me to keep creating more videos for you. Thank you. Structure is perhaps where most drawings fail, a common oversight. It's not just about three-dimensionality, solid shapes, mass, but it's the framework of your entire drawing. It grounds proportions, the interactions between light and shadow, the depth of your textures. The main reason you see pro artists so commonly use simple forms to build everything. Don't skimp here. Your drawings will thank you for it. So, major takeaway here. Some parts of a drawing should be done more carefully than others. Spend a bit more time and effort and pay closer attention, because the role they play carries a bigger impact on the drawing's outcome. Okay everyone, thanks for watching. I know you're waiting for book 3. The plan's to release it this summer, so I'm staying focused. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.